Yeah, we got Gene in the house right now. We got Danny Brown there. He's going to sign the dash of this 54. What year is this, Dan?
53.
53.
Merc.
Look at this thing now.
I'd say on the glove box there, Gene, to be the best.
For a second. You just keep filming.
Thank you, Gene.
No problem.
That dash is very dashing, eh, Gene?
Yeah.
Dashing Gene.
Here we go.
Sir.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next year you'll see that monkey hopefully.
All right.
All right, Gene.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine. Wonderful.
Good to see you again.
Thank you. Great to be here.
What do you think, Gene? You like that? How many of those were made? Huh?
About
This is factory, I think.
yeah, 200 or 300.
That's quite rare, isn't it not?
Several dealers had them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that very.
Remember them
Very
days when
clearly.
it actually came out, eh, Gene?
It didn't have this under there.
No, the supercharger, no, that's a little different, eh? Yeah, definitely didn't have a supercharger in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
That's good. DeSoto bumper, huh?
Yeah.
Danny, look at that bug in front of it. You had a bug.
Oh, yeah. And all kinds of bugs. I can't do nothing but bugs.
That's
You know,
good.
it's up on his driveway. You can't even
54
see it.
series,
Remember that?
54 series wheel with
You did me
56.
that last year.
That's
Keep it in my car.
I know the guy that
good.
pinstripe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very good.
I grabbed that.
Yeah, I'm out of those. I'm going to try to get some more made.
Oh, yeah.
What's the back window in this thing, Gene? What's the back? I like the roof on the back. I like how they took it around and made it look like that. What's that?
50 Ford. Looks like 50 Ford to me.
I didn't know.
That's Z. Klemanski's pinstripe.
Yeah. 56 Packard Clipper tail lights. Kaiser overrider. That's cool. Dodge rear bumpers. Looks great. 56 56 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser skirts.
They say the windshield's from a 54 station wagon.
50 Ford.
54 Ford.
54.
Station wagon. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What it says on the paperwork anyway. Yeah.
What we're doing, when we chop a wagon,
Yeah.
chop a wagon now, you can't chop this. This is tempered glass.
Yep.
You cannot chop it.
Okay.
So what we're doing is we make the window out of 1/8" regular glass
Okay.
and then temper it. And you can flex the temper into that curve.
Into that curve.
You can bend it into that curve. So remember that.
I will. Listen, I just said, wow, yeah.
And you absorb that.
I did.
Every day's a school
I
day.
can't remember someone's name.
Every day's school day.
Mostly, right, Gene? Appreciate it, man. Have a safe
All right,
flight.
see ya.
Hope you get some rest. Get some rest.
No problem. Alrighty.
Okay, have a good one. Appreciate
Have a
you
safe
coming.
trip. We'll see
You
you
don't
next
think
year.
I'm leaving, count the days I'm gone.
Have a safe one, Gene. Thank you,
Thank
Gene.
you.
Gene, you know what? I think you must have said that before.
I did.
Think I'm leaving.
Once or
Count
twice.
the days I'm
51 DeSoto front bumper.
Badass, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice. All right, let's go over.
Ready to go.
Ready?
Rock and roll, Vernon.
Did you get my stuff?